Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to see my Walmart MoneyCard balance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to see your Walmart MoneyCard balance, first what you need to do is simply head over and download the latest version of the app from your app store, and then once you have completed the download, simply tap on open and be sure to be logged in with your username, your password, and then simply tap on sign in. Then once you're inside, what you need to do is on the available balance option, and once you see that the available balance is shown on your account dashboard, you can also see the recent transactions right below from where you are spending, and you can also call at 877-937-4098 number and enter your card number and security info when prompted, and the automatic system will read your balance. You can also text them from your registered phone, text balance XXX and replace XXXX with last 4 digits of your card to 96411, and you get a text back with the current balance, and standard message or data rates may apply. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.